Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash script. Today we are going to learn about how I can pass an environment variable in a bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to create the .env file. Let's create it. So here we will create a .env file like this and add the passwords and everything over it. Okay, so this is my env file, db host, db user and db password. Save it, go to the bash script, and here we have to add our code. Okay, so here we are just copying this and adding over here. So first we check that if the source .env file exists or not. Okay, after that we are going to just access the variables with the help of the db host, db user, db password. And the last, if you want to connect with the mysql or something, then you can use mysql hyphen host, db host, db username and db password with the database name. Okay, so how we can assess, we are checking this one. Okay, so let's save this and run to the terminal dot test dot sh, and let's see environment variables are showing via bash script or not. So here you can see database host is localhost, database user is username, and the password is secret password. So whatever the data is in the env, we have successfully retrieved in the bash script with the help of the env file, right? So db host, db user and db password, we are able to get these files. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.